First, ensure your Sony TV is compatible by running Android TV version 5.0 or higher or Google TV. If your TV is older or not smart, you'll need external streaming devices. On your TV's home screen, access the Google Play Store. Search for Xfinity Stream in the store, then select and download the app. The download size is typically between 200 and 500 megabytes. After installation completes, the Xfinity Stream app will appear in your TV's app list, ready to use. Open the Xfinity Stream app on your Sony TV by selecting the app icon from your home screen. Sign in using your Xfinity username and password associated with your active Xfinity Internet and TV service. Alternatively, you can use QR code mobile pairing for easier sign-in by scanning the code with your phone. If you encounter issues, ensure your internet connection is stable with a minimum of 25 Mbps for HD streaming. Clear the app's cache or reset the TV's app data if the app crashes. Note that Xfinity Stream is an extension of your Xfinity cable subscription, not a standalone streaming service. Also, biometric authentication such as fingerprint via connected devices is supported for faster access.